Hello there. Today we will discuss about cybersecurity terminologies. Through this topic we will learn about various terms we will use in our session. Understanding these terms will help you navigate the complex world of digital security. The first terminology we will learn is hacking. What is hacking? I know all of you have heard this term. Hacking is the process of compromising digital devices and networks through unauthorized access. Here the term unauthorized means without permission. In short, hacking is the process where a person with no permission is accessing your resources, which is an illegal activity. Next term is authentication. Authentication is the process of verifying the identities of users, services, or apps before granting them access to specific resources. I will make it simple. See this login page. If you want to log in, you have to provide your username and password. If the username and password is correct, you can log in. It is authentication, which means authentication verify identity of user. Next term is authorization. Authorization is the process of determining whether a user or entity is allowed to access a specific resource or perform a particular action. Which means even if you have completed authentication, authorization determines what all permission is allocated to you. Next term is VPN. That is virtual private network. I know you may have used VPN. It hides your IP address, making it difficult for others to track your online activities. But companies use VPN to hide your IP address, making it difficult for others to track your online activities. See this figure. Imagine you are an employee working from home. You are connecting with your home Wi-Fi or public Wi-Fi. The company you works on will not consider your network as safe, because your network can be attacked by hackers. So company allows your connection only if you use a VPN. Because like I told you already, VPN encrypts your communication. So even if an attacker or third party trying to access your data, it will be secured. Next is firewall. A firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic. It acts as a barrier between a trusted network and an untrusted network. See this figure. Here we can see two network, one is internet, another one is internal network. Internal network can be your home network or company network. Internet is the outside network where hackers or any third party people are there. Firewall act as a filter between their two network. It filter out any malicious content coming to the company and saves company network. Next term is vulnerability. Vulnerability refers to a weakness or flaw in a system, application, or network that can be exploited by a malicious actor to gain unauthorized access or cause harm. I will explain again. Imagine you are developing a software. Because of lack of programming knowledge or by accidentally you made a mistake. This mistake can lead to a loophole in design. This is a vulnerability. This vulnerability can be found by attackers and can exploit to gain unauthorized access to machine or software. Next term is malware. Malware means malicious software. It's designed to damage, disrupt, or gain unauthorized access to computers or networks. An example of malware is virus. We all know what will happen if a virus executes in victim machine. It can damage your operating system. In the next video we will discuss about hacking phases. Happy learning.